And let's first start off with an exclusive conversation with Bhupinder Singh Mann, where he's clarified on recusing himself from the Supreme Court committee. He's cleared the air of why it took 1 day for him to really come out and clear his position, says farmers are in pain and are sitting in the cold. He's also confirmed that there is no threat or pressure on him to go ahead and withdraw from that committee. He's saying he did it on his own and of his own volition. He also has told us that he spoke to the Chief Justice before going ahead and making his decision public.
Mr. Mann, we would like to know what were the reasons behind and what compelled you to leave this panel?
इस वक्त जो सेंटिमेंट्स हैं और जिस तरह लोगों में ये किसान आंदोलन की बात चल रही है, इसको ध्यान में रखते हुए मैंने ये समझा कि इसको छोड़ देना ठीक है।
Were you under pressure to leave the panel?
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं। ये मेरा अपना डिसीजन है, मैंने किया है। बिल्कुल कोई किसी किस्म का जीरो प्रेशर।
So don't you think your decision will result into a sort of communication gap because when farmers are not raising their voice, when farmers are not telling the panel what the shortcomings in these laws, so it will not be conveyed to the panel?
नहीं, वो क्योंकि लीडरशिप जो है किसानों की वो काफी समझदार है, उन्होंने बहुत देर से संघर्ष किए हैं, वो समझते हैं कि कब कैसे और क्या करना है। मुझे लगता है वो सारा कुछ ठीक करेंगे।
So being a senior farmer leader, so what do you think? What is the way out for the differences between the central government and the farmer unions?
इकोनॉमी जो है फार्मर्स की वो अंडर डिस्ट्रेस है, सिर्फ पंजाब की नहीं सारे देश की अंडर डिस्ट्रेस है। तो इस डिस्ट्रेस को जितनी जल्दी समझ लिया जाए उतना ही अच्छा है। ये बहुत देर है, बहुत शुरू से डिस्ट्रेस जो चल रही है वो समझ लेना चाहिए। मुझे लगता है कि गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया और फार्मर्स लीडर्स वो अच्छी तरह समझ लेंगे।
Let me take this across now to Manjeet Sehgal, who got us that exclusive conversation with Mr. Bhupinder Mann. Manjeet, the big headline and the big takeaway really of what Mr. Mann has told you is, number one, that there was no pressure on him to take this decision. He took it on his own volition, on his own accord, and that he'd even informed the CGI before going public with his decision.
Yes, Akshita, he has now clarified that he was not under any pressure, and there were also reports that he was also getting threats from separatist elements based in foreign countries, but he has now clarified that he was not under any pressure and he has resigned due to the sentiments. The sentiments were not in favor of Punjab, and as far as his removal from his own organization, Bharatiya Kisan Union, Mann Group is concerned, he has referred to this development as a family matter and has said that it is an internal matter and it will be sorted out. And as far as the crisis in Punjab is concerned, he is of the opinion that the central government should hear the farmers and should give a solution to the farmers so that they return, they come back to their homes and start deploying the fields. Speaking on other questions as well, Mann has distanced himself from various controversies like the presence of some separatist elements like Khalistanis among the protesters, and he has time and again said that the government should hear the farmers to solve the issues.
All right, Manjeet, thank you for getting us details of the conversation that you had with Bhupinder Singh Mann, who's gone ahead and recused himself from the Supreme Court appointed committee. He said that he hasn't done it under any pressure, that his heart goes out to the farmers who are protesting, and that's why he's decided to take this decision.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.